Ki hirbo Ephraim Mitzvachos Lach. When Ephraim, come back to the main topic, when Ephraim increased altar to sin for Avodah Zarah, Hoyolo Mitzvachos Lach. Ephraim already had altars lachta to commit sin, which means that's exactly what we said before. As long as Ephraim still recognized the Mizbeachos in the Beis HaMikdash, there's a Mizbeach HaZohar, and Mizbeach HaDachoshes, or Mizbeach HaBonim, Mizbeach HaPitzah, Mizbeach HaPnimi. In a Mizbeach for the Gedoras, or the Dam on them Kipernings, Kabodas HaPnimim, and then the Mizbeach on the outside in all the other Kabodas report. When these Kabodas were already, these Mizbeachs were already a source of sinfulness. Because of that, it is understandable that eventually Ephraim increases, makes other Mizbeachos, and they, of course, are sources of hate. So, Ki Yirbo Ephraim Mizbeachos Lachto, when Ephraim increased the number of its altars to commit sins, Hoyolo Mizbeachos Lach. What was that? It was the Mizbeach in the Eretz Yisrael.